everyone, I am Dr. J. Suresh Kaur, Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about conditional probability. Before going to discuss about this conditional probability, first we have to know what are the conditional events. What are the conditional events? See, before going to discuss these conditional events also, first we have to know what is event. As we have discussed in the earlier sessions, event means a non-empty subset of sample space. A non-empty subset of sample space is called an event. When this event is known as conditional event. Any two events are said to be conditional events if they happen in simultaneously, if they happen in one by one. Suppose A and B are any two events you consider. Suppose if they are happening one by one, then A by B or B by A are called as conditional events. The difference between A by B or B by A is A by B means the first B event is happened, then A event is happening. That is called A by B. Suppose the event A is happened and the event B is happening. That we can write as B by A. So these two events are known as conditional events. A by B or B by A. Now, if you find out probability for this A by B, that is called P of A by B, and which is defined as P of A intersection B by denominator P of B. Whatever the denominator is there, in the right side also will get P of B. This is called conditional probability of A. Conditional probability of A under B has already happened. Similarly, conditional probability of B by A means the numerator value is same, P of A intersection B by P of A. The denominator will be same. This means conditional probability of B under A has happened. That is the difference between P of A by B and P of B by A. Again, I am repeating. P of A by B means conditional probability of A under B has already happened. P of B by A means conditional probability of B already A has happened. So that is the process of conditional probability by using these two formulas. Suppose if I take one problem, how to find the conditional probability? Two dice are thrown. Two dice are thrown means sample space consists of 36 elements like this 1, 1, 1, 2 and so on up to 6, 6. The total number of events are 36 if we throw two dice at a time. Each die consists of 6 faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the second die consists of 6 faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If two dice are thrown at a time, what are the possible outcomes? Either it may be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 or 2, 1 like that up to 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Total consists of 36 events in the sample space if we thrown two dice at a time. So sample space we got it. And A is an event is given. A is a event of getting sum of points or odd. That means out of these 36 elements, add each event. Suppose if you take 1, 1 event, if you add them, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which is even number. But A is defined that it is getting sum of points or odd only you consider. That means starts from 1, 2, add them 1 plus 2, 3, add number. 1, 3, if you add it will be 4, that means it is an even number. Don't consider even number. 1, 4, 1, 6, like that. 2, 1, 2, 4, sorry, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, like that up to 6, 1, 6, 3, 6, 5. So we will get 18 elements, 18 events. Similarly, B also given. What is B? B is an event at least one yes. At least one yes. That means 1, 1. In this 1, 1 we have 1 S, 1, 2. Here also 1 S is there, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Or reverse also, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 6. Sorry, 6, 1. See, in all these events, 1 S is there. Other than this, there is no other possibility. Here we have 11 events. But here asking that probability of A. Probability of A means A events are 18 by total number of events are 36. So P of A is 18 by 36. Probability of B. B events are 11 by 36. And A intersection B. That means there is a common point between A and B. There is a common point between A and B. In A we have 18 events. In B we have 11 events. What are the common points? 1, 2 common point, because in B is also there and in A is also the same 1, 2. 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6. Total 6 are there. Then to find the probability of A intersection B, 6 by total number of events are 36. 1 by 6. All values we got it. Then we can find out P of A by B, which is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B 6 by 36 by 11 by 36. 6 by 11. Similarly, P of B by A. Formula is same. P of A intersection B by P of A. The denominator is same in the left side and right side. Like that, you should remember the formula. P of A intersection B is 6 by 36. P of A is 18 by 36. Simplify it, we will get P of B by A is 1 by 3. Now coming to the second problem in the conditional probability, a bag contains 6 white balls, 9 black balls. In one bag, we have 6 white balls and 9 black balls. I am going to draw 4 balls from there. Out of 15 balls, total number of balls are 15. I want to choose only 4 balls. In how many ways? 15C 4 ways. And you got it. Find the probability for the first draw to give 4 white balls. A is given. First draw to give 4 white balls and second draw to give 4 black balls. B. Second draw will give 4 black balls. In each of the following cases, balls are replaced one case and balls are not replaced. See, bag A contains 6 white. Suppose if you do by using the balls replaced case, n equal to 15, 6, 4, because 6 white, 9 black. We need to choose only 4 balls from 15. In how many ways? 15C4. And first draw, let us assume the event A is first draw to give 4 white balls. That means if you assume the P of A is how to choose 4 white balls from 6 white balls only. In how many ways? 6C4 ways by 15C4. P of A you got it. Second draw to give 4 black balls. But already first draw is completed. Na? What is the first draw? A. Second draw is B. How many? 9 ball black balls. We need to choose only 4 from 15C4. So P of B by A you got it. But in the problem consists of first draw and second draw. That means we should find out A intersection B. Nothing but we have a formula P of A into P of B by A. If you simplify, we'll get the answer. For balls replaced case. But balls are not replaced case. P of A is same because first draw to give 4 white balls. When you draw the balls, first draw, so there is no replacing case or replaced case or not replaced case. Total number of balls are 15C4. But while you are drawing the second color ball, B, balls are not replaced means already 4 balls are left. Out of 15, 4 balls are left. The remaining balls are only 11. From 11, how many we can choose? 4 balls we can choose. In how many ways? 11C4 ways. So P of B by A, already A is completed. The denominator value is 11C4 because the leftover balls are 11 only. In the first draw, four white balls are drawn. So 9C4 by 11C. Now like that, A intersection B, you find first draw and second draw. We'll get the answer. Similarly, one more problem. Among the workers in a factory, only 30% receive bonus. In case A is assume receiving bonus, P of A is 30 by 100 because 30%. Out of this, among the receiving the bonus 30%, only 20% are skilled. P of where B is a skilled person, P of B by A is 20%, 20 by 100 because already receiving bonus people completed and from them skilled workers are only 20%. That is 20 by 100. Now we require A intersection B, receiving bonus and skilled persons. That means we require P of A intersection B. Formula we have P of A into P of B by A, which is 30 by 100 into 20 by 100, which is equal to 0.6. So blindly you remember in conditional probability only two cases, either A by B or B by A. P of A by B or P of B by A. P of A by B means conditional probability of A, already B has happened. The denominator, whatever the denominator is there in the left side, it will be reflected in the right side. The numerator should be same, P of A intersection B. Here, conditional probability of B by A means conditional probability of B under already A has happened. The denominator will be same in the left side, A. The numerator is same, P of A intersection. You should remember these two formulas to find the conditional probability of A under B has happened or conditional probability of B under A has happened. Okay, this is the concept of conditional probability. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.